In this video, we'll be discussing how to fund and withdraw from your OANDA account. Of course, in order to trade a live account, if that is something that you choose to do, you'll need to know how to fund your account as well as how to withdraw your money once you are ready. This is a straightforward process with OANDA, but you do have a couple options, so let's explore those together. So first, let's talk about some options that you have when depositing to your OANDA account. Your first option is to use a debit card, which is backed by MasterCard, Visa, or Discover within their platform, or you can use a wire transfer or a ACH bank transfer. You have a couple of options here, but also it should be known that you can withdraw funds later the same method you used to make the deposit. So let's now talk about how you can go about doing this. So in regards to funding your account, to initiate your first deposit into your OANDA trading account, simply log into your Manage Funds section within your OANDA portal. And again, here you will have the option to choose from a debit card, bank wire transfer, or an automated clearinghouse or ACH. Please note here, when it comes to bank wire transfers, it can take 1 to 3 business days to deposit funds through a domestic wire transfer and up to 5 business days for international transfers. And with the bank transfer, there is no minimum or maximum deposit requirement. Of course, with this option, you do have to take into consideration that you may be charged a service fee by your own bank and intermediary bank for transferring funds into this account. Let's also talk about the option one more time, that ACH deposit route, where there is a maximum limit of $50,000 per transaction. And for this option, it can take up to 6 days for funds to be processed. There is no fee or minimum limit for ACH deposits. Now let's also talk about withdrawals, and there is a note here that you need to pay attention to. You can withdraw funds the same way you used to make the deposits. So if you made a deposit via a debit card, you can also withdraw funds with a debit card as well. Funds can be withdrawn by logging in to Manage Funds using your OANDA trade account details. And one more reminder here, withdrawals are subject to OANDA's hierarchy rule. So if you have deposited funds using multiple methods, you must exhaust the total deposit amounts first by debit card and then followed by bank transfer. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to best utilize your OANDA trading account. Thanks for watching.